Hey y'all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. My name is Kurt. Tonight we're going to follow suit with a series that we've already started, which I will be mixing my absolute favorite cocktails in different spirits. And tonight we're going to be making the Blueberry Lavender Mezcal Sour. So this is tonight's version of my favorite cocktail when using mezcal. Before we get started into mixing the cocktail, let me take just a few minutes here to tell you what's going on. We have, after this show releases here on Monday, we will have one more show left before the end of the year, and that is going to be our very first live show. Now, I know we were going to create the live show to celebrate 20,000 subscribers, and man, I'm completely humbled in the fact that we've had, I don't know, Trent, what is it, 28,000 subscribers, something like that. It's just mind-blowing. It's mind-boggling to me. It really, really is. But just to give you a few highlights, we will be putting out notification on time and everything else. Trenton's going to handle that through the week, but it will be this coming Thursday evening will be our very first live show. During that show, we're going to be giving away 2 bottles of Blanton's, 1 bottle of Henry McKenna 10-year, and 1 bottle of Pikesville Rye. We're going to give those away during the show, along with 4 brand new SLB Basement Bourbon Bar t-shirts. That's our giveaways. That's what we're going to do. It's just going to be a freaking good time. I mean, it's just going to be a good time. I'm sure our live shows won't be anything like most of the other ones, and hey, that's okay. That's okay. We're just going to be here to have a good time. Mark it down your calendar. Please don't forget, Trent will be putting out notifications through the week. The very next Thursday, our last show before the end of the year, our very first live show. All right, let's get down to making this cocktail. What I want to do first is I want to take a small handful of blueberries. I'm guessing there's at least 12 to 16 here, but a small handful of blueberries. We're going to dump that right into the bottom of the tin and give it a quick muddle. Things kind of loosened up down there and ready to go. All right, that should be good. Now I'm going to pour in 3/4 of an ounce of lavender syrup. Now this particular lavender syrup I'm using right now is a Monin syrup. You can use the lavender syrup of your choice, but if you'd like to use Monin, you can find it on Amazon. After that, I want to pour in 1 full ounce freshly squeezed lemon juice. A full ounce. All right, and last but not least, the star of the show, our mezcal. Trenton's been coaching me on this. Del Maguey Chichicapa. Yeah, what do you think, Trent? Chichicapa. Getting a little better. I'm getting a little better. Of course, you can use the mezcal of your choice, but I want to pour in 1.5 ounces of mezcal, and that's it. A very simple cocktail. I love cocktails that just turn out beautifully and taste great, and they're extremely simple to make. So we're just going to get some ice in this tin, and we're going to give a shake. After one quick component, I almost forgot, this is extremely important when you're working with agave-based spirits and cocktails. We just want to put in 1 pinch of salt. Just a little pinch of salt. And that's it. Now we can continue on. A little ice in the tin. Give it a shake. All right, that should do it. We got a nice frosty feel on our tin. Now, I don't have a coupe ready to go out here. What I want to do, I really want to use a frosted coupe, and I got a little freezer right down to my right. I'm going to grab one real quick. We got our frosted coupe out here. Now, if you remember, we did muddle some blueberries in this particular cocktail, so we absolutely want to double strain. That way we don't get any little tidbits of blueberries floating around in the cocktail. Beautiful, beautiful lavender color to it. Very nice. Now, what I did for a garnish, I just put 3 blueberries on a garnish pick, and I'm going to set them right here, but you can truly garnish this 100 ways to Sunday. I think what would be really, really nice if you had some of those like real beautiful and dainty little flowers that you can garnish cocktails with. That'd be beautiful in this particular cocktail. But what I have here is blueberries, so we got a blueberry garnish. And there we have it, our blueberry lavender mezcal sour. That's good too. It really is. It's very delicate. So even with the mezcal being like a smoky type of a spirit to it, you know, muddling those blueberries and the 3/4 ounces of a lavender syrup, you know, it's just a beautiful sour, and it's extremely well balanced. It's a little bit delicate, and it just tastes great. The lavender, everything comes through in that cocktail, everything. You get a little bit of the blueberry, the lavender shines. Of course, it's a sour, so you get a little bit of the tartness coming from that lemon juice and a little bit of the smokiness and agave with the mezcal. It's beautiful. It's my favorite mezcal cocktail. That's all I have for you tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'll try to remind you, please don't forget our live show, last show of the year, coming up Thursday. Hey, as always, we ask you to please drink responsibly, and we'll see you next time for a good time down here at the good old Basement Bourbon Bar with me. See you later.